Good day everyone, and especially to Ma'am Lim. So we are the group 11 and my name is Adrian Davis Raguya, and now we will discuss about the contribution of food technology to food industry. So food technology enhances the food industry by improving safety, availability, nutrition, innovation, sustainability, and economic growth, ensuring a secure and nutritious food supply for a growing global population. Food technology uses research, development, and advanced technique to enhance food production, preservation, and quality. It combines chemistry, engineering, microbiology, and nutrition to improve food safety, nutrition, and availability, focusing on areas like analytical chemistry, biotechnology, and quality control. It is essential for mass production and innovation in the processed food industry.
Advanced food preservation techniques such as high-pressure processing (HPP), pulse electric fields (PEF), modified atmosphere packaging (MAP), and vacuum packaging preserve food's nutrition value and freshness by inactivating microorganisms. These methods modify the atmosphere around food to prevent spoilage, and innovations like microbial stickers and food irradiations enhance quality assurance.
So securing our food future with food tech. Food technology is vital for food security, especially with climate change and population growth. Biotechnology creates crops resistant to pests, diseases, drought, and salinity, expanding cultivation. Genetic engineering enhances crop nutrition and yield. Precision agriculture optimizes farming and reduces waste. These advancements ensure food sustainability. Additionally, agricultural biotechnology improves nutrition, selective treatments, boosts crop productivity, and food tech helps maintain water quality by reducing chemical runoff. It contributes to economic growth by creating jobs, facilitating trade, and adding value to agricultural products. Food technology is essential for a secure, sustainable, and nutritious food supply in a changing world. So, in this statement, food technology is crucial for food security using biotechnology and genetic engineering to create resilient crops, enhance nutrition, and optimize farming. This ensures sustainability, improves nutrition, boosts productivity, maintains water quality, and drives economic growth. Conclusion. In summary, food technology is crucial for ensuring a safe, sustainable, and nutritious food supply. It enhances food safety and availability, improves nutritional value, and drives innovation. By promoting sustainability and contributing to economic growth, food technology plays a vital role in addressing global food challenges. So, food technology is essential for a safe, sustainable, and nutritious food supply. It boosts food safety and availability, improves nutritional value, fosters innovation, and contributes to economic growth, addressing global food challenges. That's all. Thank you.